we guide you through how to apply for YouTube Partner Program. So the first thing you need to do is to sign in to your YouTube account and click your profile picture, then select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, click Earn. If your channel is eligible, you'll see the option to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Review and accept YouTube Partner Program terms, then correct or connect or create Google AdSense account if you don't already have one. After completing those steps, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it follows all monetization policies and community guidelines. This review process may take several days or longer depending on the number of applications. Once your channel is approved, you will receive an email notification and monetization feature will become available in the Earn section. From there, you can turn on ads, memberships, super chat, and other earning features that your channel qualifies for. So that's it.